How's it going, folks? SYGTECH with another video. This is a short one. So I'm using the K688 by Fifine. So I bought this microphone a couple of weeks ago. I did an unboxing video, first impressions. Pretty cool microphone. But now probably you can hear there's a difference in the sound. And the reason being is because this microphone is being EQ'd, if there's a word to say that right. So this microphone has a post-processing right now, and as you can hear, the sound actually is very good. I am a fist away from the microphone, as you can see, and it's pretty decent sound for the price probably you're gonna get, which goes around 75 pounds, around $60. Pretty good microphone. I believe you'll get that even cheaper due to the holiday season, Black Friday, and so on. Yeah, I think this microphone is gonna get cheaper, but the sound quality is gonna be fantastic. So let me know in the comments down below, what do you think of the K688 with post-processing. But let's remove the post-processing right now, so at least you will have a better idea how the microphone sounds without any EQ. And now this is the K688 with no post-processing whatsoever. So I think this sounds fantastic as well. So you don't need to be worried if you cannot add any post-processing. So if you're type of person who doesn't want to deal with post-processing, doesn't have idea how to post-process, like add EQ basically, you don't have to be overwhelmed about this. Just use the microphone straight from the box and you're gonna be fine. As you can see, without post-processing, this microphone sounds great. Also, the entire video, as you can see, is being recorded with this microphone on a USB mode. So there we have it, guys. Let me know what you think about the K688 by Fifine. I think it's a great microphone. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.